Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my first ever YouTube video. So in this channel I'll be sharing with y'all everything related to DIY, crafts, hauls and a lot more. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Here we'll be using a 200 GSM card sheet paper. So basically I've made some of the stickers and I'm just showing y'all how those look. Now let's get started. So here I'm taking a piece of or a page of paper and I'm just drawing random stuff like plants. Whatever you like you can draw. I've drawn here some plants, rainbow, books and a lot more. You can choose whatever you want to draw. I'll just draw them quickly. And after drawing we need to just cut them out. Just make sure to leave some space. And then now we'll paint it with the watercolors. You can also use acrylic colors. Paint them one by one. You can use any color you want. I've chosen here some pastels because I love pastel colors. After painting all of them, we'll just make outlines with black marker. So to enhance the look of the stickers, I'm just drawing them one by one. And after outlining each and every sticker, you just need to cut them out as shown in the video. Don't cut the entire thing, just leave some space on the edge. After cutting, we'll just take a parchment paper and clear tape. We'll stick it as shown here. And then after that we'll take one sticker and keep it upon it and stick another clear tape. And now while cutting this, just make sure to leave some edge, otherwise it won't work as a sticker. You can see the sticker is ready. I've already made all of them. I'm just showing you how these work.